Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Southern with Charm. It is Saturday and I am getting started on all of my spring and Easter decor shopping. Today I'm going to run into hopefully Kirkland's if I have time, but definitely Hobby Lobby and Michael's. And I am going to bring you along, and after I do all of my shopping, I will do a haul with you at the end of this video so that you can see everything that I bought. So thank you so much for watching and for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it and would love for you to subscribe and leave your comments down below. Okay, so I am back home and I have finished all of my shopping, and I want to show you everything that I purchased. I went to Hobby Lobby and Michael's, and then I went by Ross and by Target. So let me just get started and show you everything that I got. Okay, so here is everything. I went a little crazy with the bunny stuff. I got this little bunny hanger. Oop, about to drop it. I got it from Hobby Lobby and it was $2.99. Everything at Hobby Lobby was on sale, 40% off. Also at Michael's, everything was 40% off. I got these eggs in a tin little vase. I got 2 of those and they were $8.99 a piece. And then I got these little guys and they were $9.99. And then also these little guys, and they were $7.99. And then I got these long stem flowers that are gonna go in these 2 hanging baskets. If you follow me on Instagram, I had a big sign made that says "Let's Stay Home" that is gonna go up there on that very bare wall. And then I'm going to hang those 2 baskets next to it and put those flowers in it. And then I got the "He is Risen" sign. It was $10.99 at Hobby Lobby. And then I got these little birds and more bunnies. These little birds were $2.99 a piece. The bunnies were $3.99. And this bunny is a little bit bigger and it was $7.99. And I got this cute little guy and he's got metal ears. He came from Hobby Lobby. $9.99. And then also this little Happy Easter sign with the little bunnies, and they actually have little cottontails, and it was $9.99. And then I got these little flowers with carrots in them. I got 2 of those. They were $3.99 a piece. All of this stuff that I've mentioned so far is Hobby Lobby. Then from Michael's, I got these little jars and they have eggs inside of them. I got the green and then the pink, and they were $8 a piece. The bloom sign came from the Target dollar spot. I forgot to mention earlier that I did swing by Target. And then I got these little bunnies that are hugging each other from Ross for only $4.99. Also in the Target dollar spot was this white tray that was $5. And then I got these tulip bushes that are gonna go in this green tin canister, and it was $14 from Michael's. And this little birdhouse also came from Michael's. It was $18. It doesn't want to sit up. And this lantern, it was a small lantern. It was $20, but Michael's had them on sale for $10. And then I got that wreath for my front door from TJ Maxx, and it was $16.99. So in all, I think this is a pretty good haul, and if you continue watching the videos on my channel, you will get to see me get my house cleaned up for my decor, and also how I decorate it and where I put everything. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I would love for you to subscribe and leave your comments down below.